Holy moly.
What's beeping, Don?
My GoPro.
Oh, okay.
Is that water leaking?
Probably gasoline.
Yeah. I can tell the GoPro with the water gasoline.
This looks dangerous. It does.
Good. Just ride that up. Pivot left. Line up exactly for that standing again.
Yeah, you're on some slick rock
You're up
there.
against the tire, you're not in the right spot. Your tire's got to be just to the right of that tire.
It won't move. God dang, it's stuck. You need to back up just enough to bump over that slick rock.
There you go. Now you can roll that little section. As you roll up that, you'll just start rolling that. But this is a bit easier pivot than that one. That's what I found every time on this one.
Man, maybe even get on this.
Yeah, you might be able to ride just right up that.
Just don't spin the wheel. Just get it started and just go.
Yeah. You turn the bars left a little bit, that'll straighten you out.
No, you can't. But if you just get it going, you'll be able to pull up and right out of it. No.
Nope.
Okay, back up. Can you back up some? Okay. Oh, you're still on that rock, but it might work.
If you're there, it might kick down and go into the right spot as soon as you go. Just test it.
Yeah. Good job staying in the friction zone on the clutch, man.
Yeah, he's got a good feel.
That keeps you from rolling backwards.
Good. You just wheelie it out of that once you start the bike.
This ain't easy right here, man. Heck no. You got me, dude. I'm hoping I can go with that. Yeah, if you could just get it on a wheel stand and then pivot your bike over.
What's happening? Huh?